you ever put a life jacket on a cruise ship? Now, I'll be honest with you, I've been on quite a few cruise ships, never had to put one on before, never tried it, never done it. So I thought I'll have a go. And I was quite surprised that it wasn't just a matter of stick it on your head. So this one is neatly arranged in the cupboard. There's been a couple that's like this, that's been pest about with, they've not been wrapped up properly. So this one is correctly wrapped up how it would be in your wardrobe in your cruise cabin. So basically start by unravelling the very long strap. I mean, it is literally 2.5 meters long, nearly 3 probably. Now this was the bit that got me. This was like, oh, how did you get this on? There is some side clips here to undo. That gets your head floppy now, okay? But then look, it's still tight. There's this, but then it's still tight. Well, actually, it's got some Velcro in there, and at first I didn't realise that. So now we're at this point, pull a bit of slack through so you can actually get it over your head, and over your head like so. And now you can just get it a bit comfy, and then just line the Velcros up so it's quite kind of comfy, but it is snug round your neck here. This is quite snug. Then put this one on, and then you've got your long strap. Basically put that round your back, round your belly, and now, where is it? It's here. Click it in, and then here, pull, and just keep pulling and keep pulling and keep pulling and keep pulling until you get it nice and tight. And then basically that's it. When you're in that water, you'll be floating like this, and your head should stay above the water. And then this, just get it, tuck it under here so it's out of the way. That's it. So if you've never put your life jacket on before on a cruise ship, all I can recommend is you give it a go. It's simple to do. There may be different variations on different cruise lines. That's something that I will now be checking on every cruise line I go on. I'm going to put the life jacket on, see if it's different and so on. Obviously you've got like a little light here, I haven't tried it, and we have here, it's clipped in. Let me just put it out. You've got the whistle. There we go. So next time I go on a cruise ship, I'm going to try each life jacket just to see if they're different, and I recommend you all have a go at doing this just in case. Now there is what's called the buddy line here, so you can take this out and basically you connect to your fellow guests, so you're all sort of collected in. Like you've basically got the hook round, and then just you hook together. Rest assured, I will pack this back up correctly, because mine wasn't in this cabin, and there is, you know, the light. I'm not sure how we pull the light. I think this here, you pull it off and then it'll come on, but we're not going to do that. So there you are. Let me know in the comments if you've ever put the life jackets on before. Is the life jacket different on this ship, or is it pretty much identical? I think they're all going to be similar. Like I say, I'll be finding out now. I'll try and take it off now. There you go. So I put that all back together now. It's exactly how it should be. It's all ready in case of requirement. A little bit faffy, isn't it, to put it back together, but it's all nice and put back together as it should be. And I will ensure that this one's put back like it should be. And I will also check the one that's in the cupboard, because this cabin sleeps 3. So I will check all 3 life jackets, check that they're all wrapped up properly in case of emergency. So there you go. I've put all 3 back as they should be. Now I did notice that these was hanging out on 2 of them, so I have made sure that that is the case. I'm assuming you can just pull that then into it. So I've done that, wrapped them all up, all bun tied round and all as they should be. Pop them back in the cupboard. Now if you like that one, give me the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, you know, have you done this? Is it similar on other cruise ships? I reckon they're going to be similar. Obviously there must be different designs and so on, but I would imagine they're all similar. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. bye for now. Oh, remember to subscribe. The button's just down here. Click it. If you would like to watch another one on our P&O Iona series, please click here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.